Hey guys, how are you today? Hope you're doing well. So Marnie and I are out in the field. It's been raining for a couple of days, so we haven't got a lot done. Fortunately, the ground was dry enough that it sucked up all the rain and we weren't flooded in. Well, maybe that's an unfortunate situation. I like being flooded in. Marnie's going to finish doing the mowing while I cut down a few of these little trees in the field so we can pull the stumps out. We got 4 of them over here, 3 little pines, this poplar that we're going to pull out, and over here just off camera is a wild cherry that we're going to pull out as well. Maybe some more, but it should go pretty quick. We'll film it so that way you guys can have some enjoyment with the satisfactory thud of the trees hitting the ground. And maybe Marnie will even grace us with her presence on camera. She's shaking her head no at me with the funny face that looks kind of like this. So now she's sticking her tongue out at me. She's very mature for her age. I told her she was 4 earlier and she's acting like it now. Oh, and I'm getting the stink eye. God, if only she was on camera. So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you don't enjoy it, well, then you know what to do. If you do enjoy it, they say I should tell you to like and subscribe. I'm not really sure what that is. There's buttons somewhere on this whole YouTube thing that you're supposed to click on that enables you to do that. There's not chainsaws attached, so I don't know. And I hope you like my new outfit, by the way. I got to pull my britches up here. So I had a near miss a while back with a chainsaw that ate up one of my blue jeans when I was trying to get away from a tree that fell funny. No damage to myself, but it chewed on my blue jeans, and Marnie got a little uppity with me about it. So she wanted me to get something to make it a little bit more protective for myself. So now I got these fancy dancy nice little chaps here. You guys like how it looks? So I hope you enjoy it. If you don't, there's other videos on YouTube that you might enjoy. So I'm going to get about cutting chainsaws now, and we'll talk to you later. See you then. Marnie brought me my safety glasses. She realized she forgot her gloves, so she's going back to the house yet again, proclaiming that she's not prepared for this type of stuff today. I think she needed to sleep longer. But I'm going to get back to it. Bring me the Ryobi. We ran out of gas. Thank you. Three down.
Yes. You want me to go back to the house?
I can't hear you.
You want me to go back to the house?
No. All right, guys, say thanks to Marnie for bringing all the tools down to us.
What'd you say?
Maybe she'll even wave at you. Apparently not.
I waved.
Did you?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Well, I mean, when you saw me.
Perfect. Okay, so we got the most of the trees done that we wanted to get done. We parted up that big big tooth aspen. I think it's a it's a big tooth aspen. One of our neighbors is not as healthy as he was a few years ago, and so we've been trying to make some lumber for him because he heats with wood. So we're gonna send down the wood down to him. But this cherry tree here in front of me is kind of right in the middle of the field, and since we're trying to get it ready to plant, it needs to go. And so I'm going to work on with what we have left of the chainsaw power. I'm going to work on this branch that's fallen down here. So maybe Marnie will help some more. We were lucky enough to see her on camera in her Black Sabbath shirt. So I think that thing's straight out of the 80s. But we'll get it done. So here we go.
91, thank you. Alright, so, alright.
What we can do.
Is that piece one here?
Yeah, send that piece out, and I'll pick up one piece more. From up there.
Make the more can press that.